Night?
Yeah.
Where?
Arcadia?
Arcadia? Which club?
Oh, this is many club.
Many clubs.
Yeah.
And you drive safe, okay? Because I want to be alive for tomorrow to find my wife.
Go in Odessa. Your wife go in Odessa tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my wife. Yeah. Da 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 da
Da, da,
da
da.
da da.
Da, da, da.
This is my friend Sasha. He's recording us. You see, Sasha, and my other friend Gustavo.
Gustavo.
Gustava.
Is this a Lada?
Yeah.
Lada car.
Yeah,
Very
this is
beautiful.
Lada car before Italiano Fiat.
Before Italiano Fiat.
Yeah.
And
Russia.
and
Russia
Russia.
buy in Italiano.
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you live in America? You also live here always.
No, I live in old Odessa.
All Odessa.
All
You
Odessa.
never
Old
travel abroad.
Odessa.
No,
Never travel. But your English is good, huh?
my English good.
It's okay.
No,
it's okay.
I learn English only school.
You're in school?
Yeah.
Oh, I understand. You speak Russian, Ukrainian, and English.
Yeah.
And you speak Portuguese?
Portuguese?
Portuguese. You speak Portuguese?
No,
You Spanish. You speak Spanish?
no.
No. Let the people cross the street. Cracovia.
Ah.